Density equals dollars. There's going to be opportunity out there for us. All right, let's do a case study for one of our developments. We just locked up 3 lots in downtown Sarasota. And initially, our intention was either doing a 58 or an 88 unit apartment building. After doing some feasibility studies, it turned out the 58 unit was the highest and best to use based on parking conditions and additional construction cost savings by not doing more stories and having a 2-story parking. Now, the issue was we got that property appraised for construction 10 months ago, actually 12 months ago. And the property appraised based on, rental rates, cap rates, and everything back 12 months ago for roughly $21.5 million, which that is fair market value based on, what happened 10 months ago, 12 months ago. But then eventually interest rates went up. So now we are getting closer and closer towards eventually doing the construction loan. And we recently got an appraisal down, and the appraisal came back at $12.6 million. So the same asset lost basically $9 million in value over the last 12 months by literally just doing absolutely nothing. Obviously, the asset is still the same, rental rates are the same, the income is the same, the construction cost predictions is the same. The only thing that's changed is the interest rates, making it extremely hard to get funding. And also the cap rates have gone from 4.05 to almost a 5.5%, 6% prediction. And that has cost us almost $9 million in equity. Now, obviously, we can certainly still do the project, knowing it takes around 3 years for it to be constructed. And in 3 years, we'll have a different market and interest rates will most likely look a little bit different. However, it is still extremely risky. So we decided to do the path of least resistance and are going to do a 21-unit townhome development and are actually going to resell those townhomes. Now, how is that any different? Well, with townhomes, we sign them to end buyers. We're not subject to the rental market. And we've seen in our market, at least, that the resale values for similar assets, new construction homes and townhomes are staying really strong and demand is still existing. The other side, we can also pre-sell those units, meaning we don't move dirt and we don't do construction until we've pre-sold those units, allowing us to reduce risk and allowing us to have a more secure project moving forward. So looking at both things, obviously, density equals dollars. Higher density usually means you make more money. Therefore, the apartment would have been under regular condition, the better choice to make more money and give equity partners a higher return. But then factoring in market conditions and understanding what's the most feasible and the path of least resistance with the lowest risk and the highest return. And it turned out, in this case, it was a 21-unit townhome development instead. So definitely do your research. There's going to be opportunity out there for us to buy assets, but you need to determine and make extremely strong decisions moving forward on how your market is converting and how you can make the right decision for what is necessary in 2 or 3 years when you complete some of those projects.